Welcome to the mountaintop, where horizons whisper ancient wisdom to your soul. Feel the altitude lift your spirit beyond earthly worries. As you stretch, let each mantra echo through your being like wind through mountain pines. Your breath becomes the rhythm of the earth itself. Each inhale draws strength from the mountain's core. Each exhale releases weight like falling autumn leaves. You are becoming one with the landscape. Feel the mountain's heartbeat synchronize with your own, steady and eternal like ancient rhythms of time. In this moment, you are infinite. Climbing this height required courage, just as each pose demands trust in your own strength. The summit rewards those who persist. When clouds gather and winds howl, remember, storms reveal the strength within your spirit. Breathe through the turbulence and emerge renewed. At the summit, arms wide open, you embrace the world in all its vast and wonderful complexity. This is where limitations dissolve into possibility. In stillness, wisdom flows like mountain streams carving through ancient stone. Here at the peak, you find answers written in sky and stone. The journey down mirrors the path that brought you up, each step carrying lessons learned on this sacred climb. Let gratitude be your guide. Carry this mountain spirit with you, a reservoir of strength whenever life's paths grow steep. Your inner peak awaits in every step forward.